Today is about a week later. About a week later, I had to take some time off. I was in the process of changing jobs and all that, stuff. So I didn't really have time to literally come to the garage and actually work on R32. So today it took me like an hour to get here. So So what we have to do is we have to clean the surface really good. I purchased this guy right here. This is gasket remover. Basically you just put it on, let it soak in and clean it off. I kind of try to do that. Didn't really work. And then I have this 3M. So basically what we're gonna do is put on the highest speed and just try to remove all the old gasket from it. So we're gonna do that because I want to get this done as soon as possible. I'm tired of looking on an empty engine bay, so I have to get this done as soon as possible. I want to drive this thing, man. Let's get back to the timing cover, valve cover. This is timing cover. That's what I'm doing. There's a bundle on it. Moving the RB20 sign, and there was like a low spots line. So if here you go, you can see going back. So I want to have a clean look. Same thing with the same thing with the valve cover. This is the left side, and there's a little low spot here too, so coupler goes in there, so I'm also deleting that, so it's gonna be nice and smooth. And this is the right side, and this guy also has a low spot, so I'm gonna bundle in that too. So it's not on the we're not really on the rush to do that because we don't have the engine ready, so we don't really need it. And then get back to the head. We have to clean the bottom of the head too from all the gasket. So yeah, let's get back to work. Put you guys on the tripod and I will update you, see if anything, if I get any results. Alright guys, little update here. I did for at least hour. I was grinding with the drill for like literally at least an hour. It takes some time. It's not gonna come off easy like that, so you have to be really careful. Don't push it too hard and just keep going back and forth. But it's a little bit better. Here it's smooth, here it's smooth, right here it's smooth. But I still have to do a lot. Probably like 2 more hours at least, just cleaning that. And then make sure clean all these from all the gasket material. You have to clean all of that. And then when putting the studs, I have to clean this and below with the air, so all the small dirt and all that stuff has to come out. So I have to figure that out, or where I'm gonna get the air, because I do not have a compressor. I do need to get one, but it's not the right time right now. So I have to figure that out, how I'm gonna do that. And another question, I don't know what to do with the valve covers. I really want to powder coat them because it's gonna look much better, but it's kind of a little bit expensive, because I do not have the money right now to do that. So yeah, I have to figure that out, and I really want to get the power steering. I'm probably gonna get paid in next 2 weeks, and so when I get paid, I'm probably gonna purchase the power steering tank. It's about $100, and the lines, it's about another $50-100. Get a bungee bolt on that, and then basically all of them is gonna be AN fitting. The feed line is going to be 10 AN, and the return line is going to be 6 AN. Here's the pump. So what I did was I opened the back of the plate and removed the veins. That pushes back. As you can see, there's 2 holes. This one the rear and that one front. So basically this one's not going to push any fluid, and I can block it off, so that's gonna be good. And then another main thing is the feed line. There's the feed line, it's really small. I tried to find one with the AN fitting, but there was no luck. Basically right here. So I have 2 options, either weld the AN fitting here, or purchase new one. I tried to look for one. It's really tough because it's small. So what I'm gonna do is, well, actually I did, but they gave me a wrong one. I purchased turbo return line. Basically that's 10 AN, and it's almost same. It's bigger. It's much bigger. It's gonna be like this much, and I can just make a new holes and make it fit. So we'll try that. I've purchased, it was like a $10 on eBay, but I got them, but they accidentally sent it 3 AN. So basically they accidentally sent oil feed line, but I need oil return line. So I have to contact them, so make sure they're gonna send me the new one. So, and then another big problem is removing this guy. I tried so many ways. I'm gonna go ahead and do that again, and once I'm finished, I'll update you guys. Alright guys, this is the next day. As you can see, I cleaned the bottom head, so finally finished cleaning this guy. It's all good. You're still gonna see like a little dots, but that's you can't get cleaner than this. As you can see, it's pretty good. Feels so smooth and good. No little bumps, which is like the perfect you can get by doing in-house home garage. So, and yeah, and also I was really impatient, so I mocked it up the front. The hood was really heavy. I barely got it. I made a couple of scratches inside the engine bay, but well, I'm by myself, like nothing else I can do. Side marker looking good and nice and smooth. I realized this is GTR headlight. How you can say it's a GTR? Well, GTR has this grill, and there's at the headlight there's a little 2 squares on the front that basically bolts the grill. So my headlight has it, which means it's GTR. And original OEM GTR fenders, side marker, GTR headlights, OEM GTR bumper. I got it from Tacoma Nissan, all the way from Washington. The lip, as you can see, it's white. It's not GTR original OEM because they don't really make them anymore, I guess. I don't know. You can't really find a brand new one, so I didn't want to get used, so I just went with the Rocket Z. They're based from Canada. I got that from them. It looks decent. It was really cheap, so it looks really good for the price. The grill is original. The little lip, it's also from Rockets, so I got it from them. It looks pretty good. Yeah, and also have GTR wing, as you can see. It's pretty good. I test fitted, all good. Only one thing is I have a little crack right here. It's from shipping, so I have to fix that up later. That's not a big deal. So yeah, what I was doing is we finished the bottom end, and we're gonna do now back to the head. So I flipped, as you can see. I have to clean all of that. Before flipping any head, you gotta remove the lifters right here. There you go. Make sure they are in order. As you can see, I put them like that. So I'm gonna flip it. So this side is gonna go to the right side, left side is gonna go to the left side by order. So I cover them, make sure it's not. Also same thing with the cams by order. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna be scraping with the razor blade. Make sure to take all the gasket as much as I can, and then we're gonna use that 3M whatever, I don't even remember what was that, it's been a while. So yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod and So put that in the same order. That's the rear, this is the front, so we'll go there. Let me put you guys and let's get going. Alright, as you can see, I put the camshaft and all the lifters and all of them. They're still loose. I just put them in, so I'm not gonna lose them, and they're all in order. Because when we're gonna put the head on the when we put the head, we'll still have to remove the cams so we can access the bolts. So that's why they are loose.